back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make for you some candy yams. And here are my ingredients. It's just sugar, salt, and I have here Chinese 5-spice and some pineapple and a little piece of ginger. So I'm gonna juice this pineapple with the ginger. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little sugar in here. Just a little bit more. And a little salt. And mix this up. Look how thick and rich that is. I'm gonna add my spice. I think that's enough. And I'm gonna pour my liquid over. Really mix it like that. gonna pop this in the oven and come right back. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add some sauce over it. I have some melted butter with a little of the sauce from the pan, and a little more sugar. I'm gonna add it over it. Pour it over. Like a butter and like a sugar. Okay, we're gonna put it back for 5 more minutes. Make the butter get down in it. Get some flavor on it. Okay. Smells so good. It's yummy. I'll be back. Here we go, guys. Our candy yam with walnuts and candy yams. How delicious that is. Smell yummy. This 5 spice, it's really good. I get it at Costco. It's delicious. And whatever you bake in, even cake. So thank you for coming into my home. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.